Hello everyone. This video is going to describe how to change the presentation theme, customize your theme, change the background color, and what you can do with the different presentations. So PowerPoint comes along with many built-in themes, and all you need to do to change your theme is just go over to your Design tab. And if you click your little More button here, this displays all the built-in themes. You can actually customize the theme and save it, and then go look for it. You can hover over any of these themes to get an idea of what your PowerPoint presentation will look like. We're just going to make it simple and go back to what's called the Office theme. And notice that the minute I selected a theme, it automatically applied it to every single slide in the presentation. Now, once you choose a theme, you have different variances that you can use. So we can come over here and we can change the various colors of that theme. You can change the fonts and apply the fonts. You can add some special effects, or you can change the background style. So right now, if you notice on slide 3 and 4 over here, you really don't see the text. So we really need to make the background style a little bit darker than what we have it currently is. So let's just choose style 7, and now you can see that the text that has a white font is visible because we have a dark blue background. Now, in previous older versions of PowerPoint, your standard size for a slide was a 4:3 aspect ratio. Now they're making it 16:9, but you can always go back to the old slides and just change 4:7. Make sure you ensure your fit, and again you can see that once you do that, it does changes the variance back and just brings you back to the theme. So that the 4:3 makes this slide look a little too boxy. So let's just undo that feature and keep the slide at its current size. Now, the other thing that you can do here on your Design tab is format the background. And when you click this, you actually get a Format Background pane. So we can change this overall solid color of a background. You choose solid color and you just go ahead and pick a different color that you want. And you have to be careful. If you pick too much of a light blue like this that I just did, it's hard to read the particular text then. So let's just go ahead and pick a darker color. And now notice when you do that, it only does the one slide. So see over here, it still maintains the old background. So in order to apply it to all, you just want to click Apply to All. All right, instead of a solid color, you can choose different patterns. And what you do is you choose a pattern, and right now you can barely see the patterns that are being proposed because the colors are so dark. So I'm going to change the 4 color to a little bit lighter. Let's do a little bit even lighter than that. In the same theme box, okay? And here is where you can select, any one of these. You don't want to make it too busy. But if we just do, let's say, diagonal brick. Ooh, that's ugly. Let's go with the overall brick. Okay? Again, that's awful. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it just so you can see that you apply. Once you apply this, if you look at your other slides down here, you can barely see the text. So that's not really a good choice for your background. If you have a company and you have a picture of your company, you can always choose a picture and you can go insert it from a file or go look for a picture online, and that will fill the entire background. Or another option you have is gradient. Now, right now the gradient is a light blue with white. So let's go and choose the preset gradients. Let's make it a little bit darker. Okay? Notice once you choose a preset gradient, you can choose the way the gradient comes into the slide. By default, it's linear, but if you can change rectangle, and notice the sides on each rectangle, it's a little bit lighter. You can change the direction. So right now it is coming from the bottom right. We can change it to the top left so that you see it's dark up on the top left and lighter on the bottom right. You can change the way your gradient looks by dragging these. Okay, and now let's go ahead and apply to all. And that concludes this video on just how to quickly change the themes, the backgrounds, and change the variance of any theme.